Forests are ecosystems characterized by a dense collection of trees, plants, and wildlife. They play a crucial role in maintaining the health of our planet and provide a wide range of benefits. Here are some key points about forests. Immerse yourself in the whispering leaves and the soothing hum of life. This is the forest, nature's sanctuary. Every tree, a carbon warrior, cleansing our air, nurturing our environment. Forests, a habitat for countless species, preserving biodiversity and ecosystem balance. Providing us with timber, fruits, and medicinal plants, forests create sustainable livelihoods. They regulate climate, prevent soil erosion, and maintain water cycles. Without them, life would cease. Let's protect and preserve our forests, the green lungs of our planet, our life support system.